Hello my dear children, good morning to all of you. This is our English class. In this class today we will learn sound of letter S and T. So let's start. This is letter S. Sound of letter S is S. Sound of letter S is S. S, sun. S, sun. S, soup. S, soup. S, snake. S, snake. H says sir. H says sir. Now we can make more words from sound of S. S, star. S, snail. S, swan. Now we will learn sound of letter T. This is letter T. Sound of letter T is T. Sound of letter T is T. T, tree. T, tree. T, table. T, table. T, tomato. T, tomato. T says T. T says T. Now we can make more words from sound of T. T, tiger. T, telephone. T, train. Now children, you will revise it and try to make more words from sound of these letters. Thank you and have a nice day.